Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Respected chairpersons and my dear friends, thank you so much for such a heartwarming introduction. I'm simply overwhelmed. I'm too emotional. It's an honor to deliver this very important presidential oration today. It's even a bigger honor to head our very prestigious organization, which I hold in the highest esteem. I feel so fortunate that I got this opportunity to serve our organization. And in the process, I have got to learn so many new things. I have made some thick, precious bonds, got connected to a lot of people in our society and across India, and I've also earned loads of blessings as well. Well, that too after I turned 50. Life is a game, play it. Life is a challenge, meet it. Life is an opportunity, capture it. Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to talk about being 50, but don't think this is going to be something very draggy. We are still on the crease, my friends. We may be 50, but we are definitely not out. After all, 50 is the new 30. It's the perfect time, I believe, to do everything we have ever wanted to do but might have missed out doing till now. It's time to know that you decide what age you are. And for me, I'm only 30. What about you guys? As this newest chapter of 50 begins, let's see what incredible possibilities life has to offer to us. As I unfold the pages of the chapter of being 50, there would be googlies, bouncers, and ducks. But there would also be some centuries and hat tricks too. Here are the 50 things you can do when you're 50. You can start saying and doing some crazy things and blame it on your age. You are less fearful and you're not afraid to have your opinions. You have a greater appreciation of life. It's easier to laugh at yourself and at others too. You embrace all your imperfections. You know who your best friends are. You have seen some amazing things that younger people have not. You have a reason for forgetting things. Number 10, in your 50s, you know what's really important in life. Number 11, oh heck, I forgot the rest. Oops, but who cares? I'm 52 and I have the legal right to be forgetful. Till 50, we somehow assume that wealth is health. But after 50, you start to realize that health is wealth. So, what does health mean? Who's a healthy person? It's so much more than being just physically fit. Health has these five important dimensions to it, and all five circles make a perfect Olympic ring of health. Focusing on the first ring, the physical one. It's time, my dear friends, to take care of your body because it's the only place you live in. Now I know I'm speaking to an elite group of doctors, so I don't need to tell you the specifics. But remember your annual checks, get your PAPs and mammos, don't forget to do your self breast checks regularly. Here, I just want to reinforce practice what you preach. But I want to bring to your focus the importance of proper diet and exercise, which is the most pivotal aspect of health. Consciously increase your protein intake, your supplements, water, and sleep. Decrease your portion size, salt, sugar, fat, and processed food. Acha, let's agree that just a walk is not going to suffice as a physical exercise, but make a perfect cocktail of strengthening, flexibility, and cardio, topped with proper sleep and relaxation. Now, I want to introduce you to a veteran of our industry, Dr. Bhagwati Oja. At the age of 84, she's so active. Can you believe? She took up competing in national level sports at the age of 65. So, age is just a number we count. Until we are old enough to know, it doesn't count. Moving on to the second ring of health, the social aspect. I want to come back to what I said in the beginning. Now is the time to follow your passions, to pursue your new hobbies, and find your purpose. In our times, we did not have any access to Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp to stay connected with our friends and family. But it's the time now to revive all those old bonds. Reach out to your old friends, connect your family, make video calls, meet, and have loads of fun. It's also the time to start giving back to the community. And no, I just don't mean monetary. I, for one, I'm trying to build a community for a greener world by working for the social cause of sustainable methods of menstruation. So just find what resonates with you. Start building on that. Nothing, just nothing is more rewarding than making a difference in the lives of people in the community. We are at an age where we can do and try new things without having anything to lose. ये अपनी आजी को ही देख लो. This 70-year-old grandma, she is from a very humble background, but has her own YouTube channel with a whopping unbelievable 6 lakh followers. और यहाँ हमारे तो 600 followers भी नहीं बन रहे. She makes such authentic recipes, and what did it take her? Just her everyday skills of cooking made her this famous. Friends, it's as simple as that. Perspective change kar lo yaar. It's time to start seeing the butterflies in the garden than the butterflies we see in the clinic. Sometimes a change of perspective is all it takes to see the light. The right perspective makes the impossible possible. Meet these rock star nannies on the highway. Neeru, Monica, and Pratibha, who in their 60s decided that it was high time to get out and explore the world. They took on the most remarkable journey that changed their lives. And since then, they have not looked back to live the life they had only dreamt of. They have overcome the blocks in their life and taken a leap into the unknown. And if these nannies can do it, so can we. Friends, if you obey all the rules, you will miss all the fun. Balanced life formula is the key. Now let's dive into the third ring of health, our mental well-being, which is the most important aspect of our health. Make your mental well-being a top priority. Invest in your mental health. It will pay you huge dividends. To keep coherency, nothing, just nothing can replace mental gymming. Your mental ability is your greatest asset. Hard part isn't getting your body in shape. The real hard part is getting your mind in shape. And how do we do that? Learn and do activities that challenge your brain. Simply learn new things. Take a different route to the clinic. Try a crossword. Solve puzzles. Solve sudokus. Learn to play poker or rummy. Well, you can earn some big bucks too. Rearrange your wardrobe so that you don't have to search for your daily things. Find your way to the bathroom in the dark. Try to lock and unlock the doors with your eyes closed. Read thought-provoking articles. Inculcate as your good habit. Mental stimulation is the key to the coherency of your mind. Talk, 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 my dear friends. Speak out. It's so important. Build and find your safe space where no one is judging you. Unburden. Feel free. But don't let this negativity build up. Try journaling and recording your thoughts. Just get it out of your system. It's also the time to get out of some toxic relationships you may be in. Surround yourself with people with great positive vibes. Friends, it's time you prioritize your peace of mind. It's also the time, and the best way to do it is to have the time for yourself. Spend your time on doing things you enjoy. And whatever it takes to make you happy, just do it. Like how Nike said, just do it. You're answerable only to yourself. Dear girls, our kids have flown the nest, and you may be struggling to accept this newfound reality of the empty nest. But accept this freedom, embrace it, and enjoy it. Remember, friends, taking care of yourself does not mean me first. It means me too. Remember, taking care of yourself doesn't mean me first. Give importance to yourself. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Let the sparks fly, my dear friends. Make your own bedroom bucket list. Talk to your partner what makes you happy, what you want, and find out what's holding you back. Keep the romance alive. Hold hands, hug each other, and don't forget to be a little naughty. Now, let's talk about spirituality, the fourth ring of health. And spirituality, does it mean just stepping onto the bhakti marg and doing bhajan and puja? No. Spirituality means that there exists a power greater than us that resides within us. Simply put, spirituality is what brings perspective and purpose to our lives. Meditate. Maybe just about 20 minutes of simply centering yourself, trying to be present in the present moment is what is called as meditation. It's the time to connect with the supreme power. Manage your expectations of others and expectations of yourself. Learn not to get disappointed when things don't go your way. As Spider-Man said, with great power comes great responsibility. But now is the time to relax, sit back and chill. Now is the time to delegate responsibilities, become free of doing each and everything yourself, and but you take responsibility of your own self. Detachment. This is also an aspect of spirituality. No one is asking you to renounce the worldly pleasures of life, but just stop of being attached to small minor petty issues in your life. देखो भाई, ड्रेक भी यही बोल रहा है, सबके काम में टांग मत अड़ाओ और अपने काम से काम रखो. Last but not the least, our financial well-being. Financial well-being is not a luxury, it's a basic necessity. All your life, you have given up on things you thought were more important than your wishes and your needs. But now, you're the master of your own destiny. Spend it on the bag you always wanted to buy, or that world tour you always wanted to go, or that expensive certification you wanted to acquire. Get your own Bhagavati. Oh, yes. Don't forget to please plan for your retirement well, for your health, and for your rainy days. But other than that, enjoy your money, friends. Splurge on yourself. Life is a big canvas. Make it the most colorful one. After all, isn't it better to cry in a Lamborghini than on a bicycle? है ना? But don't be like this auntie या. पैसा पैसा करो, but सिर्फ खर्चने के लिए और मजे करने के लिए. Amo, life,
Yeah.
my dear friends, is only a short trip. Enjoy it. Let the second innings of your life begin. Let the second innings of your life be only yours. क्योंकि क्योंकि
सूरज की बात
जिंदगी
अब है ये जिंदगी
सेनोरिटा,
गिरने हैं
ये जिंदगी
बातों
ना
में
मिलेगी दोबारा.
अब है ये जिंदगी
इंसान को
गिरने हैं
डिप्लोमेसी कब होना
सांसों में
चाहिए? जब वो मर चुका हो, है ना? ये क्या बोल रहा है? How's that? How's
जो
that?
की पहचान है
No, uncle, no. हम out नहीं है. The third umpire's decision is pending. Oh my God! Even the third umpire has said that we are 50 and we are not out. Thank you. Thank you so much, my dear friends.
Vaidehi, what a wonderful oration. Means each and every line, each and every word was a take-home message. And you are a perfect example of not out 50. Vaidehi, हमने सोचा था कि हम ही चाहते हैं आपको. हमने सोचा था हम ही चाहते हैं आपको, लेकिन आपको चाहने वालों का तो काफिला निकला. दिल ने कहा शिकायत कर खुदा से, लेकिन हाय कमबख्त वो भी आपका चाहने वाला निकला. I always appreciate you, and I look at your tenure as a cricket match between Team VR and Team COVID. Absolutely thrilling, absolutely exciting, like an India-Pakistan match. And when our captain Dhoni, none other than our Vaidehi, when she comes with a bat in her hand, we are sure that she's going to win the match, and she's already won the match of this year 2021. Now the whole stadium is cheering that we want a century. Vaidehi, all the best for not out 100. I love you, dear.
Thank you.
Great.
Thank you so much, Anuradha and Chaitanya.
Fantabulous oration, Vaidehi. Vaidehi's life has got 7 stages: infant, baby, young girl, young woman, again young woman, always young woman, and forever young woman. So,
मेरे मुंह में घी शक्कर चैतन्य.
and I'm so happy and so privileged to present this plaque to forever young, our own President NOGS, Dr. Vaidehi Marathe. So this plaque reads, and I'll read: we are highly privileged to award this prestigious presidential oration to Dr. Vaidehi Marathe on 50 not out. We appreciate your commitment, dedication, leadership qualities, and enthusiasm for work. You inspire everyone around you for always striving towards perfection and excellence. Your contribution to NOGS and the entire society is commendable. Dated 14th of March 2021. So this is for
Thank you so
you,
much. Such
Vaidehi.
an honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chair. So friends, now you heard the Bofors and the AK-47 of NOGS share the extra.
Suvarna, you're not audible. Suvarna, you're not audible.
I think she has a weak connection, I suppose.